Hello student, myself Anita Bandre, RBNB College, Srirampur. I am junior college teacher. My subject is English. So once again I welcome to you in my video. So today we are going to see 11th arts video here, the section 1.4 Pillars of Democracy, and this topic is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So now, first of all, we are going to see about the icebreakers here, which are the activities of this topic here. So the first activity, discuss with your partner and choose the correct alternative. Government is government of the people, by the people and for the people, shall not perish from the earth. This famous statement is made by Abraham Lincoln. Second, a system where the government is elected and ruled by people is called democracy. Then third one, a democratic country is governed by its constitution. So next activity here, that is explain about the trinity of democracy here. Trinity of democracy. The first principle or the trinity here that is explained, number one is liberty, then second fraternity, and third one that is the equality here. So that three principles are important, or according to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, that three principles are the strong pillars of our democracy here. And that is he explaining whole topic. So see the next activity, match the following. Here is given a tabular form. The first column A, here is constitution. So what is meant by constitution? It is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of polity, organization, or other type of entity, and commonly determine how that entity is to be governed. Then second one, that is the liberty. What is meant by liberty? Liberty means it is the freedom. It is the independent stage of human being, and the freedom to go where you want and you can do what you want there. That freedom or the liberty human being must have. Then third one, that is the equality. It is also important for the human being. The equality means it is the state of being equal, especially in status, right, or opportunities. In job also, every person must have the equal opportunities there. Then last one, that is the fraternity. So it is the sense of common brotherhood. In pledge, we always say, India is my country and all Indians are my brothers. That is the brotherhood, and it is essential for Indian. According to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, he explained in front of us that is the three principles or the trinity or the three strong pillars of democracy. First is fraternity, equality, and liberty here. So then second activity, that is pillars form a support for concrete buildings. Pillars, they are always supporting to the concrete buildings there. And so that's why that pillars must have a strong there. Otherwise what will happen? We know about the building there, concrete building, even though it is the concrete building. So what about our nation? If that three principles or that trinity explained by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, they are not strong, what will happen of our nation there? So, here, metaphorically speaking, a strong nation to depend on strong pillar. So, discuss with your partner and explain the pillar of democratic nation. Make a list of obstacles that are threat to the progress of a nation here. So, here, see, a strong nation depend on a strong pillars there. Which are strong pillars in front of the strong nation? So, the first, free and fair election. It is also a strong pillar for that the nation. Secondly, freedom of expression. Every person, everyone have the freedom of expression, what they want to speak there. They have the freedom there. That is also become a strong pillar of nation. Then liberty, equality also, fraternity also there, accountability also must have. Then strong values as well as transparency also. Education for all and health for all that are become a strong pillars for a nation there. Then next, the obstacles or the threats. Obstacles that are threats to the progress of a nation. Which are that the obstacles? First one, that is the apathy of the voters. Voters, they are not interested in voting there. And that is also obstacles to become a strong nation there. Second one, that is the corruption. Due to corruption, what will happen there? We know nowadays, maximum political leader, they are always speak on corruption there. They are not paying much attention on any progress, any development there. On media, on television, nowadays we are just listening only corruption or that like that. The lack of accountability also we can find in society. Secondly, lack of transparency also. That is the biggest obstacles or the threat to be a progress of a nation there. Then secondly, religion, caste-based politics. That are the obstacles here. And due to that obstacles, we are not making a progress of our nation there. So, now we are going to see about the author, about the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar here. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in the town of military cantonment of Mhow. Now it is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Nagar there in Madhya Pradesh. He got his degree from the Elphinstone College, Mumbai. He subsequently obtained the doctorate from Columbia University, USA, and London School of Economics. He was also assigned the big and challenging task of framing the Constitution of India. It was too much challenging task for himself there. But he accepted it. He accepted it. In the capacity of chairman of the drafting committee, he was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously for his dedication and commitment for the welfare of our country. So now in second para, here that is the introductory para of whole text here. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has laid emphasis on the value of liberty, equality and fraternity. He emphasizes on that three principles in whole topic. According to him, these principles will make India a strong nation and its reality. He opines that hero worship is a sure road to degradation and to eventual dictatorship and the collapse of the nation. So that's why he don't like, or he is totally neglected, or he rejected that thing, the hero worship. He gave the preference that Trinity and only that three principles: fraternity, liberty and equality. It can make the that are three pillars, and when they are strong there, it can make the nation strong there, according to Babasaheb Ambedkar here. So student, now in this video we have just seen the icebreakers as well as about the author. The next video we will see about the whole textbook there here. So okay, we are stop here.